Hi guys and the ladies. Thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare the amazing, awesome, absolutely delicious almond pear Bourdaloue pie from Paris. Baguette! Ha 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 ha! This recipe has become a classic dessert in France since it was invented by pastry chef Fasquelle in his shop located in Paris, Rue Bourdaloue, back in the 1850s. This pie goes well with champagne, cider, or what we call Poire in France, which is a kind of cider with pear. What you will need to make Bourdaloue pie is 1 pound of pear halves in syrup. French word of the day. The French word of the day is poire for pear. Poire. Puny poire. 1 shortbread dough. 4 ounces of soft butter. 4 ounces of raw sugar. 4 ounces of powdered almond. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1 tablespoon of sliced almond. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit with convection. Add butter, sugar, almond powder, eggs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of the Pear's canned syrup, and vanilla extract. And mix well. This is a 9 inches pie pan. Press the shortbread on a parchment paper in the cake mold. And poke it several times with a fork. You're not gonna hurt it, no worries. Go for it. Display the sliced pear halves on the shortbread. Evenly pour the mixture on top of it. And bake it for 40 minutes. Wait for the pie to be completely cool before you unmold it. As a matter of fact, you may want to put it in the fridge through the night before you do that. So this was the Bourdaloue pie recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video as I really enjoy making it because I love this recipe, I love this pie. So please give the thumb up to show your support, it's very important to us. And comment, of course, let me know what you think about the recipe. Comment below, here. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all new videos we would publish. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!